String manipulation. This program explains you how to print the entered string in a line and each character in a line. The output shape prints the program object. ToChar 13 is a built-in function. It takes the cursor to the next line. Ampersand symbol connects the strings in double quotes. The declare shape is used to declare string data type variable, name, and integer data type variable, n. The output shape prints the user prompt. The input shape stores the entered string in the variable name. Entire string in a line. The first output shape prints heading. The second output shape prints your name and variable name. The third one moves the cursor to the next line. Each letter in a line, the output shape prints the heading. The for loop iterates from 0 to length of entered string -1. Because it starts from 0. The output shape in the loop prints each letter in a separate line. For this purpose, the built-in function char, string, integer, is used. GRP visual coding for all is helpful and useful to all types of students. Subscribe your channel for learning and improving your coding skills in any programming language very rapidly and easily. It provides coding on all practical problems, ranging from simple to advanced level. Flowgorithm means one flowchart to multiple textual code generation without typing and syntax experience. Join your hands with us by including your comments. Your comments enable us to make this channel the most useful. Don't forget to share this video link to all in your contacts to help them freely. This action extends your loving coding world.
మరిన్ని ప్రయోజనకరమైన వీడియోల కోసం మన ఈ ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా మీరు క్రొత్త విషయాలను నేర్చుకుంటే మీ మిత్రులకు, బంధువులకు వీడియోను షేర్ చేయండి. మీ ఛానల్ను మరింత మెరుగుపరిచే సూచనలను, సలహాలను మరియు విమర్శలను కామెంట్స్ ద్వారా తెలియజేయండి.